Welcome to another episode of MPP Solar training videos. Previously in another video we have discussed the basics and the requirements of BMS. In this video we will explore further on dealing with situations where BMS cannot be established and how we can apply settings manually. Two most common situations where BMS cannot be applied is where you're using inverters without BMS feature. This is marked by the lack of a BMS communication port. Another case is where you have a third-party lithium battery, whose BMS protocol is not supported by the inverter. So what can we do? The solution is to apply manual settings, and there are two easy steps. First, simply navigate to Program Setting, Battery Type, on the LCD display, and apply use. Next, consider this example. Suppose we have a third-party lithium battery with a nominal voltage of 51.2 volt, which is quite normal and equivalent to standard 48-volt batteries. Locate the maximum and minimum voltage allowed on the battery. It's 48 to 57.6 volt in this case. Make a note of these two numbers as we'll need them for step 2. In step 2, you will need to find bulk and float charging voltage settings and then apply the maximum voltage, 57.6 volt on both settings, as shown here. Lithiums do not have 3-stage charging like lead-acid batteries, so keep bulk and float voltage the same. Next, navigate to low cutoff voltage setting, and program it as 48 volt. This marks the minimum voltage at which the inverter will operate battery without over-discharging it. That's it, that's all you have to do. Finally, it is important to remember here that manual settings should be used as an option, as it is still most ideal to establish BMS communication whenever possible. Check with your battery suppliers if they are either following Pylon Tech, PYL protocols or can implement our standard LIB or LIA protocols so you can establish BMS communication with an inverter that supports this feature. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It has been our pleasure to share this with you, and we hope you find it useful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to the latest updates.